My name is Evelyn Casita, your student body secretary.
My name is Natalie Higa, your student body treasurer.
Today is a B-Day schedule, and it's August 26, 2024. Student ID and meal deposits. School IDs are available in the front office. First ID issued is free of charge. Replacements are $5. Meal deposits can be made in the front office, cash only, and online payments are available on easyschoolpay.com. IDs are required for meals.
Student parking. Hey hurricane drivers, hurry down to the front office to pick up your parking pass. See flyers for details.
Picture makeups. Did you miss your picture taking? Do you not like how your school picture looks? Have no fear. Picture makeups will be held in the staff lounge behind the cafeteria on Friday, August 30th. If you have already taken your school picture with expressions on scheduled pickup day and would like to take a new picture, please bring exactly $5 cash, as the photographers will not have change. If you have any questions, please see Mrs. Cacal in H203.
Blood drive. If you are 16 or older, you may be eligible to donate blood and save up to 3 lives. The first blood drive of the years will be on September 4th, 2024 B-Day. Please see Mrs. Tanaka in J107 to sign up. If you are under 18, you will need to turn in the parental permission form in order to secure a time slot.
Homecoming! Get ready for homecoming by purchasing your class homecoming shirts.
Homecoming shirts. Stop by the student government room in G109 during lunch.
While you're there, check out our school store to gear up and show your hurricane pride.
Student Digital Activity Pass. Come out and support our athletics team this season by purchasing a student activity pass. Go to gofan.co, search for Kapolei High School, and add your pass to the cart. This student activity pass is only $25.
What? $25? For only one ticket?
Nope! This pass is good for regular season sporting events like football, volleyball, basketball, soccer, wrestling, and judo.
Can I use it for away games too?
Yes, home and away games.
What the
Just remember that all ticket purchases are through gofan.co and will require some mobile phone and pad device. And purchases will also require a credit card.
Esports. Interested in joining esports? We are small in numbers, but we have won the state OIA championship in Smash Spring 23 and Fall 21, and second place in Smash and Apex Legends in Spring 23. The type of games we compete in rely on the amount of people that join to play that particular game.
Join our Google Classroom class code for more information on time and place.
Hi, welcome to our weekly dose of DECA. I'm Matthew, and I'm the Vice President of Leadership in DECA. And today, I'm here to talk about communication in business. So communication in business is the process of sharing information between people within and outside a company to promote organizational goals and reduce errors. Some benefits include productivity, employee morale, and it can strengthen teams. Now, there are 2 types of communication, which are verbal and nonverbal. So verbal communication involves sharing information between 2 individuals using words, which includes talking, texting, writing an email, or recording a video. Whereas nonverbal communication involves sharing information between 2 individuals without using words. And these can include body language, facial expressions, posture, hand gestures, eye contact, or appearance. Thank you for watching our weekly dose of DECA.
Cross country. Do you like running or want to have a better endurance? Join cross country. Practices will start on August 21st. Meet at the stadium concessions. You do need an updated sports physical in order to participate. See Coach Nikki in M Building Classroom.
That's all for your Hurricane Watch News. Be sure to like
and subscribe
to our YouTube channel. This is Evelyn Casita.
This is Natalie Higa.
Signing off. Have a great day, Hurricanes. We'll see you real soon.